Hello people, welcome to another exciting episode of Naija Food Tube. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my delicious yam and fresh fish pepper soup. To prepare this traditional delicacy, I'll need the following ingredients: scent leaf, crayfish, black pepper, catfish thoroughly washed and cut. You can check our video on how to wash your catfish. Find the link below. Salt to taste, seasoning cube, mixed pepper soup spices, smoked white catfish, some washed and cut yam. I like starting this recipe by deboning and breaking into bits my smoked white catfish. I'll pour the deboned fish into a blender and blend it into a powdery texture, looking like this. Now to my pot with about 2 cups of water, I will pour the mixed pepper soup spices. I'll add some black pepper, stir, I'll add my yam, cover and allow to cook for 20 minutes. I'll add the blended crayfish, I'll also add the blended smoked white catfish and stir again. I'll add my seasoning cube and some salt to taste. My pepper soup is looking a bit too thick. So I'll add some water. Afterwards, I'll add my catfish. You may choose not to use catfish, but other kind of fish in preparing this. Croaker is another good fish that you can use in preparing this. After I have added my fish, I'll cover and allow to cook for an additional 20 minutes. At about this time, I'll add my scent leaf. I'll cover and cook for additional 5 minutes. There you go, my yam fresh fish pepper soup is ready. Very easy and fast to cook. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and press the subscribe button below in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you prepared this. Bye.